Today we're going to be looking at a 5-minute trading strategy which trades with the 15-minute trend. It uses fixed stops and it has a take-profit ratio of 1:2. I'm going to show you it trading on all of the currency pairs. And it trades the London session only. Before we start, I want to show you the two things that you need to take notice of with this system. First of all, you will see on this chart a band above the price action denoting that we are in a bearish trend. And when we're in a bearish trend, the only thing that we will be looking to do is take a short position. And obviously, if we were in a bullish trend, which we will see as we start to trade, the only thing that we will take are long positions. You are going to be using 3 TradingView indicators which are all free of charge. And in a few minutes I'm going to show you the full settings of each one. Now, please take note of the buy and sell signals that you can see on the chart, as well as a moving average line that you can see. Both the entry signals and the moving average are given to you by the same indicator. Crucially, neither of these indicators repaint. Here is an example of a short entry. You can see that we got the signal to sell the market, and the price was underneath the moving average. Also, we had a red band above the market, telling us that we were in a downtrend on the 15-minute time frame. You can see I placed the stop above the most recent swing high, and I target a 1:2 risk reward. And you can see that it was a winning trade. If you need to pause the video just to get the basics in your head before we proceed, then do that now. If not, let's move on and go through the 28 trades one by one using a live bar replay with TradingView. Odd CAD. And we enter London bearish. We get a perfect 1:2 trade right out of the gate. If you want to stop, your trading is done for the day. Odd CHF gave us a carbon copy trade, smashing the TP with no drawdown. Trades like this build confidence fast. Seasoned traders will not be surprised to see the odd JPY followed suit with another win, as the Australian dollar was weak. But the odd USD was bullish, and after a small retracement smashed our 2-point target with ease. After bouncing off the red resistance band, the CAD CHF dropped like a stone and hit our take profit also. The CAD JPY gave us our first losing trade of the session. BRR recovered with a good win immediately after. The CHF JPY was in a strong downtrend and the system just went with the flow. It's a smart system, don't you think? The Euro odd went close to our stop, but putting it safely under the swing low allowed the trade to run to take profit. The Euro CAD was bullish all the way, and all you would have had to do was wait for your TradingView alert for another win. After testing the bullish support band, the Euro CHF smashed another win out of the park for another 2 points. The Euro NZD was extremely bullish and ramped through the Asian high to smash another 2-point win for us. The Euro JPY toyed with the Asian highs as well as the bearish zone before dropping like a stone for another win. Notice again how the Euro USD bounced around the Asian low before continuing its bullish run upwards with another win. The GBP odd could not retrace back to the Asian mid-session before continuing upwards for another winning trade. With every system you need to have patience. As you can see with this winning long trade Wuxi, the GBP CAD trade. The GBP CHF bounced off the bearish resistance during Asia before the short trade early in London smashed our TP. Let's take a minute or two before finishing off the trading session and look at the core business of Forex Challenge Pass 101, because we are the industry's leading experts when it comes to passing all prop firm challenges. If you've ever taken a challenge, you know that the industry is fraught with hurdles, and is heavily weighted against anybody who takes a challenge. There are many things that you need to consider before spending your money, and this short video is not the place to discuss everything. But let me ask you just one of the many questions that you need answers to before taking a prop challenge. 95% of all traders have never even heard of the terms 0-digit, 1-digit, or 2 digits when it comes to a prop firm. Are they blindly pay the challenge fee and either attempt to trade manually, or use one of the hundreds of expensive trading robots freely available on the internet? What people don't understand is that each trading robot needs to be matched with the proper digit broker. And the reason why we offer a 100% pass guarantee, and the reason that our current pass rate is over 96%, is that we understand every single nuance and rule to all of the prop firms currently accepting traders' challenges. The link to our free Telegram channel is beneath this video. And what you are seeing here are daily pass certificates and profit splits from clients from all over the world, many of whom come to us for help after losing thousands. You can avoid all of those losses and come to the best place in the industry to get funded, with a 100% guarantee in the shortest possible time. The only thing stopping you from trading a $100,000 account and earning 5% a month, which is a life-changing amount, is your hesitation, indecision and lack of confidence. And it's seeing hundreds of pass certificates such as this on our website and Telegram channel, as well as the hundreds of genuine testimonials from real clients around the world just like you. That should give you the confidence that you need to join us in what is genuinely a life-changing business. Now let's get back to the trading session. The pound yen touched the bearish resistance before dropping like a stone for a 2-point winning trade. The pound New Zealand dollar was very bullish and saw no drawdown in this superb long trade, giving us 2 points. The British pound against the US dollar was just as bullish and took off to the skies with this convincing long trade. Again, the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar went after the recent highs and smashed our 2-point target with this long trade. The New Zealand Swiss franc dropped like a stone, in line with the 15-minute bearish trend, allowing our short trade to smash take profit. The New Zealand yen followed suit, proving once again that these two indicators are rock solid when it comes to day trading. The New Zealand US dollar couldn't even reach the resistance zone before falling sharply and giving us not 1 pip of drawdown in this sell trade. The US dollar against the Canadian dollar issued a long trade shortly after testing bullish resistance and took off sharply with this long entry. The last 2 trades came from the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and as you can see, both the long and the short trades both reached our 1 to 2 risk reward. Now to the crucial bit. Let's take a look at the settings of these 3 indicators one by one. There's no need to pay for a premium membership with TradingView for this system. And you can battle test it as much as you want, because this is one of those systems that you will just not break. If you need to, just pause the video and take a screenshot of the settings and drop them in Photoshop or a Word document. And then you can open your TradingView system and set everything up from scratch. I would love your feedback about this system. And if you have got any questions, just drop them in the comments below, because I love to read comments and I will answer every one of them personally. Finally, I would just like to say that if you got any benefit or education from this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving the video a thumbs up and a like, and share it. And that way you will be notified every time I release a new system such as this. I wish you all the best with whichever system or EA you choose to run with. And until next time everybody, safe trading.